Have you ever lived in an apartment where the closet systems keep falling off the traps? Because I sure have. Turns out it doesn't need to be the case. Now, people tend to have the same problems with their bypass or their wardrobe systems as they do with the pockets. They become unsmooth, they become noisy, and they fail. Now, this is our double top mount system, coupled with the fascia used in this bypass application. It's finished with a soft close. So dodgy wardrobes are in the past. Cheers.